Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. Got a Porsche 996. Came in for actually hard to select gears. Every single one of them, from gear 1 across the board. It's not crunching, the gearbox not crunching yet. It's not crunching into gears. It's just hard to select gears. Just firm. It's a bit firm to put in the gear. So what I've done, I've disconnected the cable. So you select the cable, alright, and then see if the cable is seized inside. Put it back, forth, nice and easy, alright. Same one here. See that? Very easy to move back and forth. Same here. Very easy to go back and forth. So the cable is not seized inside, or it's fine, I can move back and forth. Next one I'm doing is the actual selector levers. So that one there, see that? Sorry, that one there. That's normal. This one here. That's normal. Alright, nothing is seized up there, or nothing is obstructing the way to move the gears back and forth from the gearbox. So what I've done, I've drained the oil already here. So this is the oil of the gearbox into a nice container. I've got a magnet there. Even though it's nice and clean here, there's no the reason why I took the oil out is to see if there's any metal shaving inside the gearbox. If there's any metal shaving, that means the actual there's some of the gears are damaged inside the gearbox and need to be removed, rebuilt. But this is the basic stuff to check before you do anything major to the gearbox. So even though it's clean, I can't see any metal shaving. I still put a magnet in there. The bottom, can you hold this? The rag. So I've got the magnetic. Just like stirring a pot. Alright, as you can see, look at the magnet. There's no metal shavings captured by the magnet. Nothing at all. So it's nice and clean. So that means the gears inside the gearbox are intact. Nothing's broken. But I did notice myself the actual clutch. I did notice the clutch. It's a bit catching high, and then something is bent. Probably the fingers on the actual pressure plate's bent, and the actual release bearing is really noisy. And what I noticed when the car is cold, when I start up, is a little knocking lifter noise. Not knocking noise, but lifter noise. Engine lifter noise from both banks. So when you think about it, the engine's got to come out in the future probably to get it replaced, including the IMS bearing. I'm not sure if the IMS bearing's been done. It sits in here, in there, just above there. Yeah, that's what I found on this car. So next one I'm going to do, I've got to put the oil back in, and then I'll have a chat to the customer about removing the gearbox out and have a look at the clutch. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.